Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are fit and fine, well, watching my videos, and I've made shorts also. So I hope you all are watching my shorts even. So come on, today I'm going to make egg curry, and that I will show you now what I'm going to use. I have put many recipes of boiled egg curry, but still today I'm making boiled egg curry. Let's see. Friends, you can see here the egg is boiling, and the masalas what I'm going to use is over here. This is ginger, garlic, black pepper, jeera, green chilies. All this I will grind and make it into a paste. I will use tomatoes, dhania patti. All this I am going to use while making the egg curry. Now come on, I will show you the recipe while I am making it. Friends, first of all I will fry the eggs. Let the oil turn hot. Friends, the oil is turned hot. Now I will put in the eggs. Friends, the egg is turned brown, you can see. Now I will take them out. I have taken some garlic pods here. This I will put in. I will let the garlic pods turn brown a little bit. Friends, the garlic pod is turned brown. Now I will put in the onions. Let this also turn brown. I made the masala paste here. In this I will add some turmeric powder, some chili powder, and then I will put the masala in the oil to brown. I have chopped up the tomatoes. This I will put in. Salt. It's the salt to taste. Friends, you can see the tomato is cooked up, is mashed up also. You can see it. Now I will put in the masalas, which I have made into a paste. I will let this masala also turn brown. This is the masala water. I will let this masala turn brown also. Friends, you can see the masala has turned brown. Now I will add some water. Put in the eggs. Put in the dhania patti. Friends, egg recipe is ready. Egg curry. I hope you all will like it.